Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about KMI specification with don't care condition. Don't care condition is we are giving the don't care condition as cross, which is 0, and other we are denoting with 1. So here are two examples. Sum of ABCD 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14. This is the first example. So here we know that 0 is complement and 1 is variable. So first we denote 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Where C dash is C bar, C bar, and 0 C bar, and the 1 is variable. So here we are denoting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. This 1 and 7, 12, 13, 7, 12, 15, 14 is also 1. So rest number of the rows and columns is this. So here we are crossing with this. So here see this row A bar B bar is there. So we are taking this A bar B bar. In this, from the column, C is common. We are taking C. And from row, A bar, B bar, and so we can take A bar also. Which is C bar A. But here only this row is better, so we are taking A. And in don't care condition, one more example, f of a, b, c, d, we are taking m, 5, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 4, 11. 7:15.